So, you've had a rough night. No better place to recover than to do some Sunday morning retail therapy in this place. LA's Rodeo Drive, the most exclusive upmarket shopping district of LA, full of expensive stores like this one, the House of Bijan. Entry is by appointment only, and they have styled every single US president since Ronald Reagan. But if you do manage to get in, be ready to spend over $10,000 per sitting. It's a little bit over my $10 budget. Now, if the Bentley or the Bijan store is a little bit up the road from your budget, don't worry, you can still turn up at the Rodeo Drive with what BMW has unveiled for the very first time here in LA, the luxurious 4-seater 8 Series Convertible.
Well, Glenn, you're walking on Rodeo Drive, but if you were out driving the new 8 Series Convertible on Rodeo Drive, then you wouldn't be bothered about the power output numbers or small nitty-gritties like the infotainment, touchscreen display and all that. So let's talk about what the experience is going to be on a Rodeo Drive in the 8 Series Convertible. You would be having your hands firmly placed on the heated steering, and then the neck warmers and the head restraints would be doing that thing. So ladies and gentlemen, let's give you a short little lowdown on the new drop-top 8. Now first off, this car is based on the car that stole the show at Paris Motor Show, which is the 8 Series, and just like the coupe version, this one too looks spectacular. Now come to think of it, this is BMW's first luxury open-top 4-seater. So what does it get in terms of luxury? The wide, low-slung body doesn't lose one bit of its grace with the roof off, which by the way has been replaced with an electrically powered fabric soft top that can be opened or closed fully, automatically in 15 seconds, even when moving at speeds of up to 50 kmph. Come to think of it, and this is a luxury yacht. Speak of the crystal gear selector, or then the knurled metal trim, or then all around leather wrapped dash. You got the door shoulders, or then the soft top compartment cover. All of this is really going to lend you the feel of being in a luxury yacht. Now just like the coupe, you get similar engines, yes. The petrol engine, which is a V8, churning out a cracking 530 horsepower, and then there is a flat 6 diesel engine which is churning 320 horses. Now BMW says that though this is going to be a heavier version, convertible, it has been tested side by side to the coupe. It has been tested for drivetrain and chassis, and as such is going to be quite a performer even on a racetrack. But if you're waiting to have a performer on a racetrack, then hear this out, the M8 convertible is also coming very soon. In terms of tech, the new 8 Series Convertible gets a heads-up display as standard, a full digital instrument cluster behind the steering wheel, and a 10.25-inch infotainment display. What about safety? The BMW 8 Series Convertible comes as standard with a rollover protection system and all the advanced safety tech out there, including lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, etc. The car will be available starting March 2019, but those of you who are in India and want to be waiting for the 8 Series Convertible, there is a slight chance you might have to wait a bit longer. Though officially BMW has confirmed the advent of 8 Series in India. Now, what do you think? Would we have the 8 Series coming in really soon? Would you want it to come in really soon? Type in below in the comments section. And now Glenn, back to you walking on a Rodeo Drive, doing your window shopping.
Alright, enough of the window shopping. Let's do some celeb spotting.